Hey guys, if you're looking for a budget-friendly mid-range smartphone, the phone comes with AMOLED display, great design, gaming processor, 108 megapixel camera, a huge 5000 mAh battery. So the Redmi Note 12S is the best choice for you. Yes, today we are dive into 1 year review almost Redmi Note 12S. This phone is still worth it. Let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from Shadat'S Dayout. So guys, stay the video. So first talk about the design. The Redmi Note 12S catches out our attention with its sleek design. A year ago, well, as you can see, it still look pretty modern. The build quality is impressive. The phone still feels solid in the hand. The smartphone built with glass in the front, plastic back with plastic frame. The display is outstanding feature for me. The color are bright and contrast are great, and the view angle is average. The smartphone comes with 6.43-inch 90Hz AMOLED screen, and the phone peak brightness is 1000 nits. So you don't have to worry about using this phone outdoor. In the terms of performance, the Redmi Note 12S is a great. It still holds its own. The smartphone comes with MediaTek Helio G96 gaming processor, and the phone also comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage maximum. So all the app opening and closing speed very fast, and there is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, watching YouTube and things like that. It can handle pretty good. Xiaomi has been pretty good with the software update, and that's a big plus point. And I am running the latest version of MIUI 14 with Android 13 here. The interface is smooth, and I am appreciate to add a feature and optimize that have a coming with the after over the year. Let's move on the camera section. The Redmi Note 12S comes with a triple camera setup in the back, a 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro shooter, and the front is come with single 16 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 1080 30fps video, and the video quality is average quality. But in the terms of the picture quality, and as you can see that you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is pretty good. And at the same time you also take a decent portrait, and the selfie quality is okay, not too much special. So overall the price point, the Redmi Note 12S camera quality is average quality. Now let's talk about the battery life. A year using the Redmi Note 12S, I am still getting a full day easily backup because the phone comes with 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charger. So after a year, the Redmi Note 12S, would I still recommend it in 2024? Absolutely, is providing to be relevant device with a great balanced performance, camera capability and a sleek design. Of course, keep in mind the new model also available in the market. But if you are on a budget and you're looking for a solid mid-range option, the Redmi Note 12S is still worth it in 2024. Alright, that's for today's video, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.